Today I'll be doing a craft with my boy. He's almost 2 years old and we are busy learning new words. Our word of the week is tree. So this morning we took a walk around and stopped at all the trees and repeated the word tree over and over. I think he knows what a tree is now, so it's the perfect time to do a tree craft. So let's see what we are going to use. This is a nice twig that we picked up this morning. This will be the base of our tree. I'm going to trim it down, and for that I've got a pair of scissors, a paintbrush. This is just a small ice cream stick. Okay, that's mine. Some paper. I've got A3 plain copy paper. He loves painting, as you can see. Yeah. Paper plate. Some shaving foam. This is paper towel. I always have paper towel. And I've got green liquid. Yummy. Yeah. This is green liquid tempera. You don't need to use liquid tempera. You can use water paint, acrylic paint, or food coloring, anything that you can color your shaving foam with. All right, I'm going to do the prep quickly. Whoops, we are going. I'm going to do the prep quickly and then we'll get started. Hi there. My son is with his dad quickly while I do the next part. I want to do the base of the tree quickly, and then later on we'll put on some leaves. So I've trimmed down our twig to fit on my sheet of paper, and I'm going to use my glue gun, and I'm just going to stick it down and create a basic tree. Get a lot of glue on this. Obviously you won't be doing this part with your toddler, because toddlers and glue guns don't mix. Down. I'm just going to add a branch or two. I'm going to stick this down till the glue dries properly. I'm going to show you quickly. Okay. So there we've got the base of our tree, and then we're going to make our leaves together. Right, so this needs to dry. I'll put this one side. Okay. Now I'm going to take my paper plate and the shaving foam. What you can do is put some shaving foam in the plate, just like this, and let your little one, let your little one play with the shaving foam just as it is before you add the color. This is a lovely exercise for them to explore the textures and the wetness of the shaving foam. To do this, I'm going to add my tempera. Nice green for the leaves. Like I said, you can use food coloring or water paint, anything that you've got around the house. Okay, and mix this in until we've got lovely green foam. See, look at that. How cool is this? Ta-da! Now I've also got little things that you can use as a stamp. This is a piece of pool noodle that I've cut into little coins, an empty pill bottle, a piece of styrofoam. I've got some cotton wool. So anything you can basically use as a stamp to stamp your green foam. Right, I'm going to set up my toddler and then I'll be back just now. Hi, all right, we are ready to go. I've got my tablecloth on the floor. It makes any mess really easy to clean. So really invest in one of those. Let's do this.
On.
Yo, what's that?
Bye-bye.
Yo. Kijk daar.
There was a tree all in the wood, the prettiest little tree that you ever did see. Well, the tree was in a hole, the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, the green grass grew all around. Now in that tree there was a nest, the prettiest little nest that you ever did see. Well, the nest was in the tree was in the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around, the green grass grew all around. Now in that nest there was an egg, the prettiest little egg that you ever did see. Well, the egg was in the nest was in the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground. The green grass grew all around, the green grass grew all around. Now on.
Alright, so we're just going to carry on playing around a bit until we've covered most of our pages. And then we'll let it dry for a bit, and then later on we'll cut out some leaves. See you then. Hi everyone, welcome back. I've put our papers outside in the sun to dry for a bit, and after they dried, I've cut out some nice big fat leaves. Look at that. Look at the cool effect on our leaves. They are going to look really pretty on our tree. We'll stick them on a bit later. Now obviously this craft is not just for toddlers. You can do this craft for children up to the age of 5, 6, 7. Obviously they can cut their own leaves, they can assemble their own tree, pick up their own twigs and things. It's a really fun craft. Even the older children really enjoy playing with the shaving foam. So if you've got an older kid, really go for it. It's a lot of fun, albeit messy. I don't know if you can see, but that's fine. It's part of the process. Oh, look what I got. A little souvenir for mommy. I'm keeping this for me. And I just want to say something about crafting with toddlers as small as mine. Like I said, he's almost 2 years old. And when I started crafting with him, something I had to learn was patience. Because any craft, any activity we do, 5 minutes, then he's bored. That is it. Any craft we do keeps him entertained for 5 minutes only. So I really had to get over myself and my expectations for him. And now I really try just to go with it and follow his lead. I'll give suggestions and show him things to try. But when we're done, we're done. And obviously he won't be able to stick on these leaves in a perfect tree later on. It's going to be I don't know, maybe an autumn tree with leaves blowing in the wind or something. But, he's going to have fun doing it. And I think that is the point of craft and doing crafts with your little one. After the video, I'm going to post a couple of photos of how it went and how our tree came out. I think it's going to be loads of fun. And I just want to say thank you for watching our video. And please subscribe. I'll be doing some more videos. I want to start doing videos for the bigger kids as well. So don't panic, don't feel left out. We're going to start doing crafts for the bigger ones as well. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
There was a tree all in the wood, the prettiest little tree that you ever did see. Well, the tree was in a hole, the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around,